Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Civil Engineering Channel. My name is Fastil Bey. Today we are starting another lecture of how to do Civil 3D. So in this lecture the topic that we will discuss today is create surface from contour line. So our subtopic is create surface by using contour lines, and next is make contour line from points file. Okay, you can also see the preview here. So this is our preview. So first of all I want to tell you something about contour line. Contour line basically is some specific lines which is used to make surface. Okay, so some basically this type of lines is normally given to us from some other person or some other clients. Okay, so if we have contour line to make surface is not very difficult, but the question is that if we have only point, how can we make contour line? Inshallah in this lecture we will discuss both methods. How can we make surface with contour lines and how can we make contour line with the help of point. It is also very interesting point. We need to know about how can we make surface from point. Okay, so I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So let's start. So this is the welcome screen of our computer. So first of all we open one file of contour lines. You can see here drives contour line the project. Basically this is one specific project where I was working last time. So I want to select this one, so click here, then open. So you can see this file have some specific contour lines. So normally contour line is given from some specific project. So if you don't have any point data, so you can use contour line for making surface. Okay, so you can see here this is one project contour line. So first of all I want to tell you how can we make surface with contour line. After that I also want to tell you that how can we make contour line. Okay, so first of all we make surface with contour line. So go in home and surface. After just select here create surface, then give its name surface from contour. Okay, everything is okay, just okay. Now we again go tool space, after that prospector. Okay, then you can see here point in here surface. Okay, so after that surface from contour, same surface, then mask, watershed and definition. We select a definition. Normally when we make the surface with contour with the point, so we select here point group, but here we use some other method, definition, boundaries, break line, and see here contour line. Okay, contour normally we use in point group. Here we'll use contour. So select here, right click add. When you add contour data. Okay, first of all I say description, we just give it name XYZ, randomly give any name, no problem. After that we select OK, then he says select contour, we select all these one. Sorry, we select all these one like that. Okay, again after that enter. Okay, enter. So our contour is just being ready. You can see here working start. So basically this is a big project surface, so for that it may take a little bit time. So you can see here surface I think ready. Just click here, you can see here this our surface is ready. So if you want to adjust it some setting, same method, you need to go here, right click and edit surface style after the contour, and you can also use here, it's no problem, but we just need to give some smoothness. Okay, smoothness. Okay, everything ready. Okay, now we just give its label. So for that we select here, after that go here contour multiple. Okay, we use this method may be little bit heavy, so for that we use this one. Select here, click this one, after that this one, select everywhere where you want to make your label. Okay, see there our label is just ready. So you can see here. So our label is just ready. You can see different label. Okay, this is a surface line. So with the help of contour line we make surface. Okay, so now I close this file and I want to tell you how can we make new contour lines. Okay, with the help of point file. We have some specific point file, then how can we make surface line? This is a contour line with the help of point. Okay, so you can see here screen, here some specific point. So I select here, just open point, CSV point. Okay, CSV point or notepad point, no problem. There is already we create surface with the help of point. Okay, so now I just want to tell you how can we make contour lines. Okay, so first of all we remove all its label, click one and right click and select similar. All label will be selected, delete. After that you can also see here some specific point. Okay, so first of all we select here, select the surface. Okay, select surface. After that enter explode one time, then you see this is same like block. After that again you select this one and explode, again explode. So you can see here all these line is separate. Okay, select here this blue area and right click, select similar. Okay, after that delete, all this area will be deleted. After that you can also delete this one, no problem, or hide. Okay, this point need to be hide. From here you can hide this one, no, none. Okay, now see this line, these line basically is called contour line. Select this side area and delete. So you can see here this line. Now we just click on this line and check what is the main difference between them. You see here this is basically polyline, but keep in mind this is not normal polyline, this is 3D polyline. These all lines have some specific level. If you want to check, so you select need here, front view, and just zoom. Okay, you see here all lines have different labels. When we make surface, then all lines is joining. After that it makes surface. So this is not normal line, this is 3D polyline. Okay, you can also see here, we see from the top view. So all these line is contour line. If you break any surface, then this all surface will be converted in contour lines. So some project they use this type of data because sometimes point data will be heavy. So for that they convert all point data in surface. After that in contour line. After that they can also use this one. So we again make a surface for this one. So simple method, we go here surface and create surface, and here new surface we select here, new surface. Okay, after description everything is okay. Now we'll go again in surface. So you can see here old surface remove, because when we delete all things then automatic old surface remove. Now new surface, we add new data here, definition and contour. Right click, add, we select here ABC. After that okay, then we just select all of this one, then enter. Then you can see our contour is just ready. See this one, this is contour, this is a surface, sorry, this is surface line. Surface is ready. So you can also use this surface same like point surface and draw here labels as you want. Select here, make labels, different labels according to your requirement. This is the method of making surface with the help of contour lines. And if you have surface anyone or you have point and you want to convert this point into surface or contour lines, so you can also use this method. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. So please practice this one so that and try to apply all these options step by step, all these tools, so that you can get a better result. Okay, so this is the surface of our contour lines, and we make this surface with the help of, and we make this contour line with the help of point. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you have any questions, so please comment in the comments box. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.